Starting a business with AI technology involves leveraging machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and other AI technologies to develop innovative products or services. It requires identifying business problems that can be solved or optimized using AI, assembling a skilled team of AI experts, collecting and analyzing data, and creating AI models that can generate actionable insights. With the right approach, AI can help businesses improve operational efficiency, reduce costs, enhance customer experience, and gain a competitive advantage. This video will guide you step by step to become business hero from zero. So, let's start our video. ValidatorAI.com appears to be a website that provides a suite of web development tools and services, including HTML validation, CSS validation, SEO analysis, accessibility validation, and more. The website appears to be focused on helping web developers and website owners ensure that their websites are compliant with industry standards and best practices. Users can access many of the tools and services for free, with premium features available for a fee. Overall, ValidatorAI.com seems to be a useful resource for anyone involved in website development and maintenance. NamingMagic.com is a website that offers branding and naming services for businesses, products, and services. It appears to be a platform where users can create and launch a brand or product name with the help of creative professionals. The website offers a variety of packages that include options such as name ideation, logo design, and brand strategy, among others. NamingMagic.com seems to be focused on providing businesses with unique and memorable names that stand out in their respective industries. Overall, the website appears to be a useful resource for businesses that need help with naming and branding. LogoAI.com is a website that provides artificial intelligence-powered logo design services. The website offers a user-friendly interface that allows users to create their own logo design in minutes. Users can choose from a wide range of pre-designed logos and customize them to fit their brand or business needs. The website uses advanced AI algorithms to provide users with a unique, high-quality logo design that is both professional and affordable. In addition to logo design, LogoAI.com also offers branding and marketing services to help businesses create a cohesive and effective brand identity. Overall, the website appears to be a useful resource for anyone looking to create a logo quickly and easily. Durable.co is an AI-powered website builder that offers easy-to-use tools for creating responsive and customizable websites. It also provides features such as SEO optimization, social media integration, and e-commerce functionality. From curated images to AI-written content, get the professional site your business needs with none of the work. It is world's fastest website builder. Step 1: Get your business online in 3 clicks. Generate a fully designed website with copy, images, and a contact form in under a minute. Step 2: Effortlessly customize your site. Simple editing tools, multiple pages, and a free custom domain. No code required. Step 3: Start marketing right away. Book more jobs with AI copywriting, SEO, analytics, and a simple CRM. All with one login. Synthesia is an AI-powered video generation platform that allows users to create personalized videos at scale using natural language processing and machine learning technology. The platform offers a range of customization options, including the ability to choose from various video styles, add text and audio, and select different languages and voices. Synthesia is commonly used for creating marketing videos, educational content, and personalized messages. If you're interested in using Synthesia, you may want to explore its features and pricing plans to determine if it meets your needs.
Hey, I'm Anna, and here's a quick Synthesia product demo. Start by selecting an AI avatar.
Like me.
Or me.
Or me.
Midjourney.com is an independent research lab exploring new mediums of thought and expanding the imaginative powers of the human species. Midjourney.com is a small self-funded team focused on design, human infrastructure, and AI. It is speculated that the underlying technology is based on Stable Diffusion. Midjourney is currently only accessible through a Discord bot on their official Discord, by direct messaging the bot, or by inviting the bot to a third-party server. To generate images, users use the /imagine command and type in a prompt. The bot then returns an image. Midjourney is also working on a web interface. Jasper is an AI-powered platform that provides voice assistants and chatbots for businesses. The platform offers natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning technology to help businesses create and deploy conversational AI tools that can be used to engage with customers, provide support, and automate various tasks. Jasper can be integrated with various messaging and communication channels, including Facebook Messenger, Slack, and WhatsApp. If you're considering using Jasper, it may be helpful to research further and evaluate its features and pricing plans to determine if it meets your needs. Muff is an AI-powered platform that offers tools for creating and managing chatbots. The platform provides a range of features, including natural language processing, NLP, machine learning, and analytics tools that can help businesses create and optimize chatbots for customer service and other use cases. Muff's drag-and-drop interface and pre-built templates can make it easy to create chatbots without extensive coding or technical knowledge. Additionally, Muff can be integrated with various messaging platforms, including Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. Craftly.ai is an AI-powered platform that offers a range of tools for creating and optimizing digital ad campaigns. The platform provides features such as automated ad creation, ad optimization, and audience targeting to help businesses create effective and efficient ad campaigns. Craftly.ai's machine learning algorithms analyze ad performance and user behavior data to optimize campaigns in real time. Additionally, the platform provides insights and analytics to help businesses understand and improve campaign performance. If you're considering using Craftly.ai, it may be helpful to research further. Hope you will try this. Please like, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more valuable videos. Thank you.